Hi everyone, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're going to make butter chicken. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this recipe, we'll need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and for our marinade, we'll need a half cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of red curry paste, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of ground ginger. For our sauce, we'll need 1 large onion, a cup of heavy cream, a quarter cup of butter, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of red curry paste, a tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of ground coriander, a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of ground ginger, and 14 ounces of crushed tomatoes. We'll start by making our marinade. We'll whisk together our half cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of our minced garlic, a tablespoon of our red curry paste, a teaspoon of our turmeric, a teaspoon of our cumin, a teaspoon of our red chili powder, a teaspoon of our salt, and a half teaspoon of our ground ginger. Then we'll cut our chicken breasts into bite-sized chunks, combine them with our marinade, and allow them to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours up to overnight. While our chicken is marinating, we'll peel and dice our onion. Then we'll melt 2 tablespoons of our butter on the stovetop over high heat, and stir fry our chicken until seared, about 5 minutes. It's okay if the chicken is not cooked through, we will continue cooking it later in our sauce. Once our chicken is seared, we'll set it aside and melt an additional 2 tablespoons of butter in our pot, and cook our onion until it begins to soften, about 3 minutes, before adding our tablespoon of minced garlic and cooking until fragrant, about another 30 seconds. And then we'll add in our remaining tablespoon of red curry paste, tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, a teaspoon of ground cumin, our teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of ground coriander, teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of ground ginger, and pour in our 14 ounces of crushed tomatoes with its juices. Then we'll reduce heat to medium and allow our sauce to come to a boil before adding our chicken back in. Then we'll reduce heat to medium-low and allow it to simmer for an additional 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, before stirring in our cup of heavy cream. We'll serve this over rice. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.